Hi everyone, what's up? It's Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and this is how to make Vietnamese drip coffee using the 10 Mile Vietnamese Coffee Dripper. Now this is a traditional Vietnamese dripper made from durable stainless steel. It is an original and traditional way in Vietnam to be making phin cafe or filter coffee. And it is a much loved method in Vietnam as well as around the world for brewing delicious Vietnamese iced coffee. So by following this link up here, you can be shopping the 10 Mile Vietnamese Dripper, and let's jump straight in now and see how we brew using one. So first up, we're going to start with around 2 to 3 tablespoons or 25 grams of dark roasted coffee beans ground to a coarse grind. Add these into the filter, then screw down or just place on top that metal dispersion screen onto your coffee. And then with the filter sitting over your cup, add around twice as much boiling water as coffee into the filter. And this is to initially wet the grinds as a pre-infusion stage, and let this sit here for about 1 minute until all that water has completely finished dripping through. Once it has, fill the filter up once more to the top with boiling water, place the lid on, and then let it sit slowly dripping through the metal filter into your cup below. Now you don't want that water to be pouring through too fast, as this will make a weak coffee, nor do you want to be waiting for it to drip through all day. So if it is a waterfall, then you want to grind your beans a little bit finer for next time and grind coarser beans if you're still waiting for it to begin dripping. But there is also an element of waiting in preparation for that water. As it slowly passes through the beans, it's going to extract all the richness and flavor those beans have to offer. And essentially that's it. Now all you need to do is wait for this to completely finish dripping, and then once it's done, you'll have yourself a tasty filter coffee just like they do in Vietnam. Add some water, add some milk, or drink it just as it is. Now there is a cold variation to this drink too, and it's probably more popular and really hard to go by, and that's the Vietnamese iced coffee. Everything in the coffee preparation is the same, but I would place around 30 ml of sweetened condensed milk either in the bottom of your glass before brewing or afterwards. Then just giving this a gentle stir to melt the condensed milk before pouring it over a large glass of ice. That's the ticket right there. Now, as things start to heat up, you're gonna want some of this, but I can absolutely see myself enjoying this all year round. Oh, man. Cleaning the Vietnamese dripper is easy with a rinse underwater, and it's also dishwasher safe. And it's a sustainable way to brew your coffee as there's no filters needed and not a lot of mess, and just a little bit of time waiting for it to finish dripping. And that's the 10 Mile Vietnamese Coffee Dripper for you. So if you have any questions on this product, then throw them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've never tried Vietnamese coffee, get onto it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.